Tita. Thank you for the maker. I mean, waffle maker. And your name is Jel, right? Okay. Now let's open that. I know how to open that now. First, you have to pull this, and then wait. I'm just gonna see it, so I know where is it. Done. Now we open it up. Wow, so cool. Wait, what? I have to get it out first. Yeah. Ooh, destruction. Wow. It's pink. You can color it pink. Ooh, I got this. Oops. There's something I fell. This is a lot of instructions. Let me see. What? Now let's open it up. Oh, wow. Mommy, look. It's so cute. Look, the heart. Oh, look, the heart. And then this is where the heart is. Right there. And then it has this. Right there. And it's so cool. Thank you, Tita. Love it. Oh, and this is not even gonna tie in this. Do I know how? Oh yeah, let's take that off. And oh, and now you have your maker. Thank you, Tita. Love it. It's my favorite color. Oh, I really like this. I can create now with this. What is this? Oh, it's a plastic. Wash, 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 wash. Is it a sticker? Oh, it's not. Bye, Tita. I like it.